Hello students, in this video we are going to study division of fractions. In previous video we have solved exercise 2b. Now before starting exercise 2c, you should know how to divide fractions. So before that, one thing I want to repeat or I want to remind you, reciprocal of a fraction. What is meant by reciprocal? Suppose here is a fraction 3 upon 4. So if question is write the reciprocal of 3 upon 4, so reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is 4 upon 3. Means simply you have to change the numerators and denominators place. The non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called reciprocals of each other. For example, 5 and 1 upon 5 are reciprocals of each other because 5 into 1 upon 5 is equal to 1. So reciprocal can be obtained like this. 9 upon 7 into 7 upon 9 is equal to 9 cancel, 7 cancel, is equal to 1. Therefore 9 upon 7 and 7 upon 9 are reciprocals of each other. Two fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. If A upon B into B upon A is equal to 1, then they are the reciprocals of each other. Reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Students, you need to remember, reciprocal of 0 is not equal to 1 upon 0, because 0 upon 1 is a fraction, but 1 upon 0 is not a fraction, it's not defined. Reciprocal of a proper fraction is an improper fraction, and reciprocal of an improper fraction is a proper fraction. Reciprocal of a proper fraction is an improper fraction. For example, 5 upon 11 is a proper fraction, but when we write reciprocal of it is 11 upon 5, so 11 upon 5 is a improper fraction in this way. Then we will see division of a whole number by a fraction. Division of a whole number by a fraction. Division of a whole number. 20 divided by 2 upon 3. Suppose we are given with this example 20 divided by 2 upon 3. So very first important thing is, this is the dividend and this is divisor. So you have to take reciprocal of divisor and change the division sign with multiplication. 20 into division changes into multiplication, dividend as it is 2 upon 3, reciprocal is 3 upon 2. Very next step is you can multiply numerator, denominator, simple multiplication of a fraction. 23 is 60 upon 2 1s are 2, 60 upon 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0. So 30 is the answer, or 30 is the quotient. Let us see another example. Example from our textbook, we will see 6 divided by 4 upon 7. Now here 6 is a whole number, dividend division we have to change into multiplication. Reciprocal of divisor 7 upon 4. Now here you can cross divide. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 7s are 21 and 2 1s are 2. Again mixed fraction, 2 10s are 20, 1 remainder, 10 1s are 10. Sorry, 1 upon 2. 10 integer 1 upon 2 is the quotient. In this way you can divide division of a whole number by a fraction. Now let us see how to divide fraction by fraction. Division of fraction by a fraction. Division of fraction by a fraction. Steps are same, only instead of taking only multiplying with numerator, we have to multiply numerator and denominator both. Suppose 13 upon 4 divided by 7 upon 6. We have to divide this. So very first step, division, sign change into multiplication. First dividend as it is, and we have to take reciprocal of divisor. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 13 and 7 division not possible, any division not possible, so multiply. 13 3s are 39, 7 2s are 14. Again mixed fraction, 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 11 upon 14. So this is the quotient. So students, in this way we can divide very simple way. So remember the steps. Very first step, you have to understand dividend and divisor. Then change the sign of division into multiplication. Take the reciprocal of divisor and then multiply, and simplest form of that last question. So in next video we will start exercise 2C. Till the time, keep revising, keep studying. Thank you.